Here is another one of those rare walkie-talkie videos. I promised that I was going to have a nice polished video today, and then my laptop exploded. Anybody else had that experience before? So I thought I would teach you on the go how to make a YouTube video on the go. One, this is being held by a little tripod-y thing. Why? Because it helps stability a little bit. Also, iPhones have inbuilt stability, so therefore it's not as shaky as you think it is. And if you think it's going to be shaky, stand still and talk. It's so much easier. You'll tend to find that mobile phones have better audio than you think they do, so it's not as bad as it can always be, especially in the past. Or you can always get one of those little microphones that plug in to your lightning jack or headphone jack, and those can improve the situation. Try and face the light, because if it's in front of you, it lights your face. If it's behind you, it washes you out. The only problem with that is that if it's really bright, you end up squinting. So be careful. Your surroundings can also be a benefit to you. If you're normally in an office, but now you're out in somewhere that is pretty and beautiful and looks like the Shire, maybe you can share it with your audience. I also find that you can edit quite well on the go. There's iMovie for iPhone, or you can download things like Adobe Rush, which is pretty much Adobe Premiere, but for mobile phones, and that edits fairly well. Click, push, drag. I've got a little app called Video Easy, used to be Vlog Easy, and it can do all of the jump cuts for you. There'll be a video somewhere about that in the iCard where I've used it previously, and that allows me to make very quick videos, and it does all of the cutting out of the sound and the gaps for me. Or you can import it once you've done your mobile phone kind of video tricks, and then you can clip it that way. I'll see how my laptop goes. The advantage of being out on the go as well happens to be that you'd be surprised how much privacy you actually get. Like, there's no one around me. I can talk to myself, and it gets you talking to a camera. This is a good benefit, because how many times have you said to yourself, oh Alan, I just can't make content because I don't have time? Well, I'm walking back to my office after doing a school run and I can make a video. You could be walking to your work and make a video. You could be on your lunch break and make a video. You'll be amazed the power of your mobile phone these days. And at the end of the day, the ugly truth is that you need to do the grind. You need to put your effort in to make the content, and then over time your channel will grow. Or you can watch my ugly truth here, which sparked some kind of momentum in my head to go off, start a second channel and grow it to nearly 7,000 subscribers in 3 months. Go watch that, start the playlist, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.